So, not to ruin the surprise, but I make it out all right. I'm up kind of by, well, actually, this is Nimrod, Minnesota, and I was north of here. Just some little forest road with a sidecar with a street tire. Two street tires, and the front is a dual sport tire. But I just thought, sorry, throat's a little dry, having a drink, but I just thought, hey, I'll just take the sidecar down here. It looks like a 2-track, pretty tame. I knew what it could turn into, and it did. I'll throw up a couple of pictures at the end in between the videos, but I got a little bit of video, some pictures. So I've done log hops, gotten around some big logs, plowing through some little trees to get around them. Lots of mud, a couple big mud puddles, but absolutely nothing about this is dual sport other than the front tire and the fact that I made it one. I've got about that much ground clearance with the header pipes, and actually my Mountain Dew can there on pipe number 1 is going to have to get redone. The 7-Up can on number 2 made it. But enough of me talking. So let's see the mud. So this is probably where I gotta call it and turn around, because I'd have to drag the sidecar through here. Here's a frog, another frog. I'd have to drag the sidecar through here while the bike was up here, or risk the middle, and I don't think I want to do that with the 100% useless street tire I've got on the back of this thing. And from the map, it looks like I'm like 1.5 miles from the road going forward. And it looks like another big puddle right there too. That one I do. It's less than the length of the bike, but damn, there's a lot of bugs. This one I don't think I'm willing to attempt. Because I'm a long ways from help, and I'm all by myself. So, see how deep this is. I mean, it's really not that deep here. And it's pretty solid on the bottom. Sorry for the camera work, but bugs in my face, trying not to fall over. Man, I do have a rope, but I got nothing to attach it to. Oh, man. I mean, it's pretty solid once you eat through the 1/2 inch of mud. Man, it's gonna really suck if I have to pull this thing out backwards. And I mean, basically a racing slick. Oh man. Let's see if I can get the camera changed angles and I'll make up my mind.